Hello everyone, this is Anne Rodriguez and this is my persuasive speech. So let's get into it. As our technology progresses, artificial intelligence is being integrated more and more into our everyday lives. Searches, advertisement, and even into our school and work lives. As everyone starts to be aware of the use of AI, seeing it more often, it's important to know what problems it causes if you were to use it. Being a student, artist, and a library worker, I see how artificial intelligence is changing our lives with the use of AI in assignments, to create AI art, and to write a prompt you input. This speech is meant to persuade you not to use AI and use the provided ways to stop using AI. In this speech, I will be sharing why the use of AI is bad, the bad effects of using AI, and what you can do in your life to stop using AI. Now, firstly, we have to understand why AI is so harmful and the many problems that come with using AI. A well-known problem with AI is its harmful environmental impact. One generative AI search uses the same energy as 4 or 5 times the energy as a typical internet search. Now think about how much energy it takes for almost 2 billion people, which is the rough estimate of the people who use AI, to use multiple generative AI searches. Because of this demand for this energy, at data centers, water is also being used to cool down these systems. At a larger scale, this is creating a disruption in the ecosystem and even affecting drinking and running water for those who live nearby. Besides environmentally, another problem is that people are losing jobs because where they work have now gotten AI to do their job for them. This is affecting primarily those in customer service, as chatbots are being used more often in the work field. Which leads me to the last problem that we will talk about today, which is the loss of human interaction. There has been an uptick into AI characters that you can talk to, which makes a person less likely to interact with other people rather than their AI friends, causing this person to become less social, more closed off, which obviously harms them. Now that we know why artificial intelligence is bad, we have to understand why it is still being used. What are the benefits? So a big benefit is less human error. Humans, of course, we get tired, and when we are tired, we tend to make more mistakes than we normally would if we were well rested. Using AI means that once you set and perform the program, you should not have to worry about any mistakes. So that is a benefit. The next benefit is that it is being used in the healthcare and in the healthcare field and in radiology to seek out anything concerning or alarming more accurately and even more faster than a human could. Both of these benefits are really good things and make us continue to use AI, but also recent studies have shown that AI is becoming addicting, especially for those partaking in chatting with AI bots, which means that people will use it more and continue to use it. The next question is if you think these benefits are still worth using AI. If you choose not to, here are some ways to stop the integration of AI into your lives, or when you do have to use AI, what programs to use that are more ethical. So firstly, you should think about how you can achieve your goal without using AI. Think about how you searched up for things before AI. Articles, different websites, even asking your professor if it's a homework assignment, and stuff like that. Yeah, but simple searches and articles are a lot better than using AI and a lot more ethical. But if you absolutely have to use AI, or dying to, here are some more ethical and even more environmentally friendly AIs. Some are called Green PT, Mistral, Lichat, Camo Copy, and Okura AI. The last tip is to turn off AI whenever possible, or even using a different internet browser like Vivaldi, Waterfox, or Pale Moon that doesn't use AI overviews like Google does. And for Google, there's no way to turn it off. So it's better just to use another browser. And last but not least, hopefully this speech has persuaded you not to use AI. This speech has shared the problems AI causes, the benefits of AI, and the ways to stop using AI. Just to end the speech off, remember that ethically, it's important to stay away from the use of AI, and there are ways to stop using AI and other alternatives.